Quadro is an international market leader in process equipment. Our original product, the Quadro Co-Mill, is used worldwide for the grinding and milling of dry materials during food, pharmaceutical, cosmetic, personal care, and chemical processing. Our customer base is predominantly large, multinational corporations. Quadro's manufacturing facility is located in Waterloo, Ontario, Canada. Sales and marketing offices are located in the United States and Canada. Sales agents are available worldwide. Over the next few minutes, we are pleased to introduce another innovative milling technology, the Quadro Fine Grind Model F10. The CGMP engineered and manufactured Quadro Fine Grind Model F10 is a revolutionary approach to fine milling technology. The Model F10 is a compact, mobile, all-in-one milling plant, providing maximum yield and a tight particle size distribution within the typically hard-to-mill range of 10 to 100 microns. The Quadro Fine Grind Model F10 is a cost-effective solution for size-reducing APIs, fine chemicals, narcotics, steroids, and many other hard-to-mill molecules without negatively affecting the dissolution or morphology of the particles. Based on Quadro's proven co-mill technology, the unique, fully contained design of the Quadro Fine Grind Model F10 eliminates airborne fine particles, reducing product waste, potential for dust explosions, and operator exposure. As compared to traditional fine milling technologies, the Model F10 does not employ high-energy hammer-type turbulence, which can lead to loss of expensive product due to dust, or rows of intertwining pins, which are prone to plugging and breaking to size-reduce material. The F10's flexible design allows for the milling process to be either manual or fully integrated and contained. For simplicity, a manual operation is shown to better visualize the individual steps. The in-feed product is control-fed into the milling chamber with a volumetric feeder to ensure a consistent supply of material is introduced into the milling chamber. In the first stage, powders are partially size-reduced as they are discharged 360 degrees through the screen openings. Powders then enter the secondary milling chamber, where a high-speed rotating impeller imparts additional centrifugal forces and interparticulate attrition for final size reduction. The system is under a constant vacuum, which allows the finely size-reduced particles to be extracted from the milling chamber and into the product collector. Milled powders can be collected in a variety of receivers, such as drums, cone blenders, V-blenders, IBCs, or dedicated containers as shown in this installation. A wide range of screens are available, from 500 micron up to 3000 micron, including greater screens starting at 1000 micron, to allow processors the versatility of preconditioning a variety of products with differing material characteristics. Quadro's F10 product collector is designed to provide maximum milling throughput with yields often exceeding 99% recovery for most production batches. During the milling process, superfine particles are captured by 4 EPTFE membrane-coated filters, with an efficiency rating of 99.997% down to 0.5 micron, even after 50 hours of continuous operation. A pressure differential control governs the frequency of filter backwashes, while the sequentially activated filtering pulsing system ensures that as one filter is cleaned, the vacuum source remains unaffected. Due to the airtight contained design, no loss of expensive APIs or harmful powders is experienced. The Quadro Fine Grind Model F10 is compact with all the necessary elements incorporated into a single mobile platform. This eliminates the need for expensive ancillary equipment, such as dust collectors, feeders, and reinforced foundations. To control all the varying parameters that affect particle size distribution targets, a simple-to-use control panel is standard for the F10. This provides the operator the ability to control the feed rate, impeller RPM, and for models equipped with a variable frequency drive blower, the ability to change airflow rates, all key in particle size reduction control. For more complex models, such as those including integrated pneumatic conveying to feed the F10, or systems installed in explosion-rated environments, a more comprehensive panel is easily designed and incorporated. Reducing cleaning and product changeover times to about an hour allows the operator to start milling again with minimal loss of valuable production time. Starting by removing the tri-clamp between the in-feed attachment and the milling chamber allows the smooth swing of the feeder out of the operator's way. Loosening the milling chamber's lid is fast and simple with these hand knobs, and within seconds, access to the internal components is achieved. The top impeller is attached by a single bolt. The bolt is loosened with a standard wrench tool. Once the bolt is removed, the top impeller can be lifted out, as well as the screen and screen-supporting ring. The bottom impeller can now be easily lifted away from the shaft, giving the operator full access to clean the milling chamber. The hose connection between the milling chamber and the product collector is readily accessible and quickly disconnected. Lastly, the product collector, designed in 3 sections, is easily accessed from the bottom and from the top for more convenient cleaning. Models are available with spray nozzles for either clean-in-place or wash-in-place design when wetting down powders prior to opening the equipment is desired. To remove the 4 ePTFE-coated polyester filters, the top lid of the product collector swings out of the way and allows the operator to quickly and easily replace the filters or remove them for cleaning and reuse. Quadro has selected the highest quality of ePTFE-coated polyester filters to ensure continuous filtration without affecting milling efficiency or particle size distribution. The bottom section of the product collector is removed by loosening the hand knobs, rotating and disengaging 2 locating pins, and gently lowering the assembly to access the inner baffle and walls. Once the equipment is clean and ready for the next batch, reassembly of the F10 milling components is an easy task for the operator, who is able to complete this function in a matter of seconds. The precisely CGMP manufactured components and the clever single-bolt impeller design ensures that more time is spent milling instead of disassembling and assembling awkward parts. Once the lid is secured in place and the feeder reconnected, the unit is ready for its next production run. The Fine Grind Model F10 is available in Clean-in-Place, Wash-in-Place, XP, ATEX certified and inert designs to meet today's stringent requirements. These features, coupled with the major benefits of the Quadro Fine Grind Model F10, provide its users with one of the most efficient fine milling solutions in the market today. The following are but a few of the many key performance indicators that will surely improve your bottom line. Ideal for fine milling of APIs, narcotics, and other high-potency chemical ingredients. Typical 99% plus batch yield, maximizing profits. Tight particle size distributions for those hard-to-reach D90 targets in the 10 to 100 micron range. Easy to adjust milling parameters for better particle size distribution control. User-friendly design reduces operator learning curve. Easy to clean with product changeover completed in approximately 1 hour. Minimal number of parts to validate. Suitable for vacuum discharge to downstream equipment and dust-free pneumatic conveying integration, to name a few. This concludes our presentation. Thank you for your interest in Quadro.